Hi guys, Mrs. Castle here, and I'm going to do the video version of the directions, and you can listen to me and follow along at the same time. So for your final line drawing, you will follow the directions that are below. You're going to choose one line or group of lines that best express the emotion you are going for. If necessary, ask one of your neighbors which is best. Number 2, read the requirements for your final drawing below. Here are the requirements for your final drawing. I'll do those later. Trace out 2 5x5 squares. If you're in class, that's this piece of cardboard that is on your table. It's not that huge. It's only 5 inches by 5 inches. Okay. Using a pencil, sketch 2 possibilities of how you might want your final drawing to look. These are called thumbnails. You should be doing 2 versions of the same emotion. Make sure that you've met all the requirements that are down here, which I'll go over in a minute. Show me your thumbnails, bring them to me, and we'll talk about them. Then make any revisions you need to make. And then you can bring them back, show me again, choose the size of paper that you want to use, either a 12 by 12 square or a 15 by 15 square. It is your choice. It's completely up to you. Then you're going to make a final choice of the medium that you want to use. That's a material that you want to use. You can use the graphite, the charcoal, the marker, or the pen and ink. Then you're going to gather your materials, put your name and period on the back of your paper using pencil or ballpoint pen. Then you can begin your actual piece. When you are finished, photograph your thumbnails and your final piece and upload all of those photos to your assignment. And that's just the 2 square drawings and your final drawing. Please don't forget to crop them. Okay, the requirements for your final drawing. These need to be in your thumbnails as well. Vary the line thickness. Some parts should be thicker, or other parts should be thinner, or just different thicknesses of lines. Some fat, some medium, some skinny, or in between there somewhere. Repeat the line or group of lines that you chose at least 3 times. You may repeat it more times if you want. Number 3, make the line or group of lines larger than it was in your sketchbook because you're going to a much bigger piece of paper. Fill up the paper until it feels right. That means some empty space, but not tons of empty space. Don't forget that you must repeat your line or group of lines at least 3 times. Neatness is important. That's also called craftsmanship. You'll see that on the rubric. And following directions on the whole entire project, and turn it into Canvas on time. If you have excused absences and you're turning it in by the due date I gave you because you had excused absences, you're still turning it in on time, so don't worry about that. All right, the rubric is down here. You can look at all of those criteria. If you have any questions, please ask me. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.